today we're doing
A mukbang?
a mukbang.
Yeah,
It's a Dollar Tree mukbang, and
So we bought a whole bunch of different Asian
Vienna
foods.
sausages.
Let me see them.
That's the first item.
That's what we're trying.
The second item is some red sweet pepper strips.
Let me see them.
And the third is some asparagus spears.
I picked those out.
And we're trying some sriracha peas.
Sriracha.
And we're trying, last is some fruitcake mix. So, first up, we are trying the
Sliced
peppers.
peppers.
I can't even open it.
Oh!
Doesn't even open. Oh, okay. Nasty.
Can I smell it?
Oh, they don't even smell that bad.
I know, they smell like
They kind of smell like
sriracha.
jalapenos.
They smell like sriracha.
No.
Yeah,
no.
they smell like jalapeno.
Yeah, jalapenos.
Okay.
Or banana pepper.
We need to grab our little. Why are they so soft? They're soft as
No.
Wait, are they gonna be spicy? Yeah.
DeMarcus, you're trying one too.
I know.
I hope you know.
so fucking nasty.
I'm taking a small one.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna cut off one.
I can't do this.
No. Oh.
Okay, hold on. I need to grab what's tiny one. Okay, here we go.
Did
Okay,
you try some?
we're trying it. In
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Ew! That was delicious. That was delicious.
I spit on myself. That was very nasty.
That was. You Sterling, you
Just
spilled
kidding.
them.
Oh.
I swallowed mine. Did he throw up?
Yeah. Oh.
Get off
Okay.
of this table.
I'd rate it a 2 out of 10.
Wait, was that spicy? I ate that and I feel fine.
Okay.
I threw up.
Next item is the
No.
Vienna sausage.
Oh, you did! Disgusting.
We got this at the dollar store too.
Oh my gosh, no.
Sterling, I'm not trying those.
Me neither.
You have to.
No, I don't.
No.
I'm not trying.
No. That's not how you open them. You gotta open it with your fingers.
I
threw
don't have
up.
any nails, Steve.
Not doing it again.
Desmond.
I'm using a drinking fountain to wash my hands.
No, actually, no. I'm not trying that.
Someone needs to open this. Cece, open it.
You guys want to see my throw up? No, you don't.
I
That's
already
what
saw it.
That's what
It's
I thought.
disgusting and it's pink.
Yeah, and I just ate pizza for this.
Oh.
It was good.
Cece. Okay, I get it now.
Those peppers were
it's making
delicious.
noises. I'm scared.
Funny.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, no.
I
No, I'm
smell
not
them.
trying
I'm
those.
scared. I can't do this.
See, I told you, I'm not trying that one.
Me neither.
Show this camera.
I'm not trying it.
I want them to see you eat that one. Don't eat that one.
I'm not.
I broke in half.
This one.
Oh my god.
Ew.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
just
Sterling. Ew, it's all smushy.
Okay, so
That looks like
it
tuna
smells-
cat food.
here's a Vienna sausage.
Throw it.
3, 2.
Sterling.
smells like dog food. Is it good?
Well, not terrible. It's not good.
Was it better than the peppers?
No, the peppers were delicious.
Did these just taste like hot dogs?
Yeah. No, it tastes like a sausage. Try it.
Ew.
Don't even smell that bad.
They're not that bad. They're not that bad, but they're not good.
I'm not eating.
Told you how to
I'd rate it like a 4. Maybe a 4. Maybe 2 or 4.
I get the peppers a 10.
0 again.
Why didn't you taste it, Marcus?
What? I'm not. I get
Okay,
the
next
peppers
Sterling,
a 10.
that was disgusting.
What's the next product?
This one. Or should we do? No, let's do the rice cakes.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
the rice cakes should be saved for last because those are the best ones.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so are we gonna do a fruit cake?
We're trying the fruit cake.
Okay, we're
Show
trying the
camera.
fruit
I
cake
wanna show the
mix.
camera.
fruitcake.
Never tried fruitcake.
You should.
Neither have I.
It's gonna.
What if it smells good? What if it
Sterling,
tastes
that's
good?
not-
By the way, we're throwing away all this stuff that we already tried because it's disgusting.
Try the.
Yeah, but me and Desmond are gonna keep the rice things.
Oh yeah.
Sterling.
Let's
It's
see
gonna
how it
be
smells.
Just as nasty.
What if it's good?
I give the peppers and
Does it smell good?
The peppers are delicious.
Yeah, kind of.
Can I smell it?
No, it does not.
It smells
Don't be
bad at
lying.
first.
Don't lie. It's so fucking disgusting.
Ew.
Demarcus, I'm wiping this. Can you just like lick my?
No.
You like the peppers?
What?
Okay, I'm just wiping it on you then.
Okay.
Okay.
I
so,
wiped it on my shirt. Okay.
Okay, we each need to take like a scoop of the fruits.
The only reason I didn't like the peppers is because I didn't like the texture. They're really, really soft.
Oh my god.
Sterling, should I just get this huge cherry thing?
No, that's not fair. You should try actual fruit
Yeah.
I'm taking the cherry thing.
and some fruit.
You should. Yeah, you have to take fruit then too.
Fine, I'll take the fruit.
Sterling. What the heck is fruit steak supposed to be?
Okay, ready?
Is it good?
Time in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's kind of good. That's delicious. I'm having more. That's good. I want the cherry. Bet. Know what they talking about?
I need to drink.
I didn't like the cherry that much.
Marcus, where's your Kool-Aid?
No.
Here.
That was
I
the
need-
worst of them all. I'd rather have
Is that
those
a bug
nasty
There's a
Vienna
bug.
sausages.
That one
There's
was
a bug
bad.
on yours.
There's a bug on this drink. Don't fly on me!
There was a bug on my drink too. It's not bad. Okay.
Better kill it.
Oh
Fucking
my God.
disgusting. Have fun eating that.
No, I'm not eating the
shit.
rest. It was good. Okay, should we try the sriracha piece or the Ritz cake?
Sriracha piece.
Okay.
And we still have asparagus, dude. Don't forget that.
Oh!
Ugh.
Wait, show my camera too. Okay. What's the rice piece? Or sriracha piece. Wait, sriracha piece or sriracha peanuts? No, there's sriracha piece.
Oh! They smell so nasty.
Let me smell them.
Let me
Ew.
smell. Oh, it doesn't smell that bad. Okay, it does.
Oh, they don't smell that bad.
Okay. No, you need to take a pee.
Ew.
Oh, yours are connected. Here, I got one on the
Got me
table.
all the way messed up.
Okay.
I don't smell that.
They don't.
Yeah, they do. Okay, I'm
They
trying
smell
in
like
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. It's not that bad. If you know what a wasabi piece tastes like,
Sterling, you think
they taste like
everything's
this.
bad.
I'm not gonna take them home. But these
Ew,
It's
you
fucking alright.
wasabi, they taste like wasabi peas if you've ever had
I
those.
need a drink.
They're good.
I can't.
They are
can't
good.
do
Sterling,
it.
your drinks are here.
Except it's kind of spicy. It's kind of spicy.
Drink, you found it.
Yeah, it's kind of spicy. Oh my gosh, Sterling, we still have asparagus. Sterling, I need more Kool-Aid if we're about to do asparagus.
Yeah, me
Sterling, asparagus.
It was nasty.
too. I'm putting it in first.
Easy, try it. Definitely
that
don't
bad.
lie. These things are fucking nasty.
I eat wasabi peas all the time, Sterling. I'm not that girl. It's fine.
Oh!
Sterling, can you take it? Okay.
I'm just gonna use it. Here, take a sip.
They're not that bad.
Lying kids.
I'm not lying. Oh my gosh, they're stuck. Sterling.
It's disgusting.
Wait, ready? Are you ready, guys?
Have more Kool-Aid?
These are all stuck together. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not eating those.
Sterling, they still didn't break.
Sterling, we're gonna leave these all over here, okay?
Oh yeah, and people are
Okay,
gonna
the
be like,
next food is asparagus.
No! I'm gonna throw up again. So smell like.
Let me smell.
This smells like fucking asparagus. It's fucking disgusting.
Ew, it smells worse.
Let me
No.
smell.
It's-
it smells like olives, Desmond.
I'm serious.
Yes, I'm serious.
I thought I was gonna.
Oh, it doesn't even smell that bad. It does smell like asparagus.
smells like all.
No, the problem is
I'm not
it
getting
out.
that much.
Oh,
Ew!
God.
I'm gonna take. Wait, stop, sirloin. I'm taking the sirloin. I don't think I'll hate this one.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
He thinks everything's pretty good.
No, it literally tastes like. Have you ever had baked asparagus? Doesn't it taste like baked asparagus? It's pretty good, right?
I'm getting ready.
The texture's kind of
3,
off,
2,
but
1.
it's pretty good. I'm gonna move it so my viewers can see.
Sterling hates them whenever our mom makes them eat.
I just can't.
I just don't like the
not good.
texture.
Yeah,
Nope,
that's
it tastes
everything.
exactly
Try
like.
it, Cece.
Desmond, you're the only one that. No, I hate
You just try it,
those.
please. Come on, try it.
Yay, the last one is good.
Hurry up. Okay, the last one is
Yeah, the
rice
rice. Yay! Let me see them.
buns.
I want to taste the rice cakes.
cake. It's gonna be disgusting.
Should I open them? Only take one. What do they smell like?
Have one?
Oh, they smell bad.
It's like plastic.
I don't know if I'm gonna like. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna
Okay,
like these.
I'm gonna try it in 3.
Just throw the asparagus, Sterling. Okay, one away. Okay,
3.
you gotta do this.
I want to be in it.
2, 3, 2, 1.
These are fucking shit.
Sterling, the first bite isn't good. You have to take more.
It's gross. Sterling, stop. It tastes like shit.
Okay.
I don't like the aftertaste, so I'm not gonna
Fucking
keep them.
disgusting.
Desmond, you're the only one that threw up.
I know.
Sterling, you don't stop in it.
Sterling, are you gonna show them my throat?
Do you see that? I'm
Yeah.
gonna throw these.
You guys ready? I'm gonna throw the fruitcake. This is what happens when you don't like food. Sterling, your sausages are right there.
Sterling, guys, watch out.
Oh my gosh,
Sterling,
she's throwing the peppers.
ready?
In the glass.
Move. I want to hit you. Sorry.
Stuck. Okay, let's go.
Give me it. It's mine.
Break it, I'm scared. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. View. Yeah.